Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain lesson 5, The Pied Piper. This is the summary of the lesson. Hamelin is a beautiful town in Germany. But years ago, the town was full of rats. These rats fought the dogs and killed the cats. They bit babies. Bit, bit is a second form of bite. It means katana. They bit babies in their cradles. Cradle means a bed for baby. Palana. They bit babies in their cradles. They ate all the cheese and licked the soup from the cook's ladders. Ladders means spoons. They made holes in men's hats and spoiled. Spoiled means kharab karna and spoiled the women's chats. Chats means conversation. By shrieking and squeaking, the writer is using these words for the sound of rats. Rats spoiled the woman's conversation by making a sound. People tried hundreds of ways to get rid of them. To get rid of means chutkara pana, but were unable to drive away a single rat. They went to the mayor in anger and asked him to do something about it. But the old mayor was helpless too. One day a strange man named Pied Piper came to meet the mayor. He was a tall and thin man with a sharp chin and a smiling face. He was dressed in a long yellow and red coat. The man told the mayor, "I am a piper. I can take away all the rats. But what will you give? What will you give me in return?" The mayor said, "I will give you 1,000 gold coins if you succeed." The Pied Piper stepped into the street. He began to play a queer little tune. Suddenly the rats came running out of their houses. Big rats, small rats, thin rats, brown rats, black rats, and all kinds of rats. He finally stopped near a river, but the rats ran on and fell into the river. They all drowned. Drowned means डूब जाना. People thanked the Pied Piper. All the people of Hamelin waved their heads to welcome him. When he went to the mayor to take 1,000 gold coins, the mayor refused to give him. The piper stepped into the street again. This time he played a soft tune on his pipe. All the children of the town came out and followed the piper, laughing, dancing, and singing up a high hill. All the people and the mayor shouted to stop the piper, but they could not stop him. A magic door on the side of the hill opened, and the piper walked in with all the children. The door shut. Legend means a storyteller. Legend says that the piper took the children to a wonderful land where they learned to be truthful and keep their promises. Students, I will come soon with next video. Thanks for watching.